This is my divine lychee martini recipe. First, I'm going to make the lychee puree. For one cocktail, you can blend 6 canned lychees with a 1/4 cup of the syrup. Since I'll be making more cocktails later today, I'm actually going to blend an entire can and save it in a squeeze bottle. You can refrigerate this for about 5 to 7 days. Now, let's make the cocktail. In a cocktail shaker, I'm adding in 3 ounces of vodka. I like Grey Goose, but use whatever brand you prefer. 1 ounce of lychee liqueur. The one I'm using is called Soho Lychee. And 2 ounces of lychee puree. Then add ice and shake. Now there it is, my divine lychee martini.